Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and today we have with us a new entry-level budget offering from Micromax called the Micromax Bharat Go. This is a budget phone which runs on the lighter version of Android Oreo, the Go edition. Some of the key features are mentioned here on the box. This phone is priced at around 4,000 rupees, which is a very attractive price point. Without further ado, let's get inside the box and see what we have got. Opening the box, the first thing that we get is the phone itself, the Bharat Go. This is the black color variant of the phone. Here is how it looks. Let's see what else is there in the box. We have a quick start guide in both Hindi and English language, user manual and some other documentation. Then we have a basic charging brick, micro USB cable and an external 2000 mAh battery. Let's keep it all that aside, set up the phone and show you how it works. This phone has a plastic build, which is probably the best you can get at this price. There is a 4.5-inch display with 480 by 854 pixel display resolution. It comes with Android Oreo 8.1 out of the box with the lighter version called the Go version. Unlike the regular or full version of Android, this version consumes less space. It also comes with all the essential Google apps in their light form or Go form. And here are the quick specifications of the phone on your screen. It has a 4.5-inch display, a quad-core processor, a 5-megapixel front-facing camera, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of ROM, 5-megapixel rear-facing camera and a 2000 mAh battery. For the price that you are paying, you get a basic phone with some basic capabilities. You should not expect stellar performance from this phone. It is a mediocre phone at best, but it will fulfill communication needs. Summing up, at 4,000 rupees, this is not a bad deal if you are looking for a very basic phone. Just above the price of a feature phone, you get a smartphone which looks good and gives you some extra functionalities over your basic feature phones. So I don't mind recommending this for people who want a very basic phone. But at the same time, you should not have stellar expectations from this. If you want to pick up one for yourself, I am leaving Best Buy links in the description section below. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to press the like button, stay subscribed, press the bell icon. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.